I once spent about 4 months running about 20 value proposition experiments for 11 different businesses. We called it the Great Value Proposition Test. One business was particularly difficult to find a winning value prop for. We tested 3 variations as homepage headlines, and none of them moved the needle. Until we read a testimonial and swiped this line from that testimonial. We eliminated 99% of our paper files. That turned into this customer-facing value prop. Eliminate 99% of your paper files. And it finally beat the control. It led to an increase in clicks of 104% with 98.9% statistical confidence. The value prop that expressed a single clear value to the prospect was the value prop that won. So it's the value-specific value prop. It's the value prop Rosser Reeves was talking about when he first invented value props. What is the specific benefit our prospect gets when they take us up on our offer? Eliminate 99% of your paper files is a specific benefit. If you care about eliminating paper, which this business's audience clearly did, your winning value prop may be hiding inside a testimonial or a conversation with a customer. It's likely to complete the phrase, my product is the one that. So my product is the one that, then say what benefit or value it provides. You may want to read through all of your testimonials to see if any of them complete the phrase, my product is the one that. My product is the one that eliminates paper for your office. Very simply, what specific value does your offer provide your customer? Write it down, then make it specific and test it out with customers. If it works, use it everywhere, all the time for years and years and years and years and years and years.